Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. I don't know actually how much money I made today, but it was about 50 to 60 bucks. I'll have the actual dollar amount in the title, but it was about 50 to 60 bucks, something like that. So let's get into this. So let me fix this real quick. Okay, so I took a trade on NASDAQ today, and I think I'm just going to stick to trading New York session because when I back test and all that, throat's a little dry. When I back test and all that, I have a way better win percentage when I'm trading New York session than London session, and I feel like I'm way better at like predicting it. So yeah. So what was I thinking about in this trade today? So I saw coming in the market open, I hopped on about like not 8:50, 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. I saw these relative equal lows right here, and I saw this new week opening gap along with this new day opening gap down here. So I was thinking the price was probably going to attract to these areas right here. So I was thinking price was probably going to attract here and then reject off of them and or manipulate down here and then go back up, right, and distribute up or reverse up, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so this is my right here's the 9:30 or 9 o'clock opening range from 9 to 9:30. Then 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 I saw price make a really big move down right before 9:30. So I was thinking, okay, I think this is because it swept these relative equal lows and it swept this new week opening gap that was made yesterday. Or no, not yesterday, last week. So I was looking for my confluences because I got my reversal. I was looking for confluences, I was looking for retracement, and then I was looking for confirmation. So to get my confirmation, I have this inverse fair value gap. The reason why I didn't pick this or this is because it doesn't give me the best confirmation, since these ones could easily, this could get inverse but then this could reject, or this could get inverse but one could reject, and this was the last one near the nearest high or the lowest high that would if price were to break it would be a change in state of delivery. Right here's my buy side liquidity. This is what I was probably going to target of the opening range, also equal highs too as well. So I saw price sweep past this inverse fair value gap, or it actually rejected pretty well, but it actually inversed it, and then I put my limit order right when it would touch it again, so it would reject and then go back up. I put my stop loss below this this right here. What was it? Hold up. It was originally down here, but I moved it up. I trailed it a little bit. I put it at these relative equal lows, and then my take profit was obviously, you can see at this buy side liquidity, and then I read the trade and boom. It was a pretty fast trade. I felt really confident in the setup, to be honest. I wasn't really I just felt really confident because price was consolidating right here. And also this fair value gap, the reason why, even though it rejected the bodies a ton, look at the candle wicks. They were really outside of them and all that. So, and then I just waited for a body closure above it, and then waited for it to go back down, entered, boom, trade, and price shot up, like literally shot up. So yeah, that was my trade today. And so let's talk about news. I avoided all news today. I got my trade in before the pending home sales, which isn't that big of a newsing, which isn't that big of news. Like, so yeah, it wasn't that big of a news, not that big of a catalyst. Yeah, I was able to get my trade in before that. And then President Trump spoke today, but at 1:15, I don't trade lunch hour, so or afternoon session, whatever. So, but tomorrow we have at 10 a.m. Jolts job openings and CB consumer confidence. This moves the market a little decent amount. So either get a trade in before or after. And then we have Wednesday, we have OPEC meetings. This moves the market all day. So this might be not the best time to trade. 8:15, we have non-farm employment change. 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing prices. So I would most likely try to trade between or after all of these. 8:30 unemployment claims. So I'm going to trade after that at 9:30 opening bell. Same with this Wednesday, similar to Friday. I'm going to trade after all that, all this news. So pretty news heavy week. But I'm just gonna be smart. I'm not gonna trade during it. I'm not gonna try to get a trade before and try to beat it, because I know that if the news occurs right when I'm in a trade, that could easily just send me straight to my stop loss. So I have to be smart about that. But basically, that's basically it. Yeah, I don't really have any much else to say. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great and blessed day, and just remember, just keep grinding hard.